Hello viewers, welcome to Afemai Big Heart series, a segment of Afemai Today TV, which is primarily designed to provoke the maximum attention of spirited Afemai sons and daughters, both at home and in the diaspora, on the need to give back to their communities developmentally, thereby making Afemai land a better place to live and invest. My name is Ray Festus Simpa. In this episode of this segment, I feel highly honored to present to the good people of Afemai land and the rest of the world a distinguished Afemai son who has made a mark in his field of endeavor and whose philanthropic contributions and selfless community service have remained exceptional and worthy of emulation by all and sundry. He is no other person than the foremost academician and philanthropist of our time, Honorable Professor Julius O. Ihobere, OON. Honorable Professor Julius O. Ihobere, OON, is a Nigerian professor born in Oyo in the old western region of Nigeria. He attended CMS Primary School in Oyo and St. John's CAC School, Warri, for his first school leaving certificate, and Edo Boys High School in Ogbowo, Benin City, where he obtained the West African certificate. Following his unquenchable thirst for further education, he proceeded to the University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, from where he had his Bachelor's of Arts combined honors degree in history and political science. He also obtained his Master's of Arts degree in international affairs and PhD in political science from Carleton University, Ottawa, and the University of Toronto, respectively. He then proceeded to teach at the University of Ife, Ogun State University, and University of Port Harcourt, all in Nigeria. He was forced into self-exile in 1990 and returned to the University of Toronto as visiting professor of African politics. In 1991, he moved to the University of Texas at Austin, where he taught African and Third World politics as well as courses on US-Africa relations. In 1997, he joined the Ford Foundation in New York as program officer in the Peace and Social Justice Program and was responsible for the portfolio in pluralism and governance until 2002, when he voluntarily withdrew his services to return to Nigeria. As a student, he was sanitary and health prefect at Edo Boys High School, Benin City, and later public relations officer of the University of Ife Students' Union. His meritorious services earned him several awards, including a life membership of the Students' Union. When he returned to Ife as a lecturer in international relations, he became secretary of the Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU. At the University of Port Harcourt, he served first as Vice Chairman and later as Chairman of the Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU. He also served as head of the Department of Political and Administrative Studies at the University of Port Harcourt and president of the Senior Staff Club. He was advisor to the Students' Union government of the University of Port Harcourt for several years. His research interests are in state civil society relations, constitutionalism, demilitarization, democratization, globalization, and human rights in the developing world with interest in Africa. An activist scholar, Honorable Professor Ihovere, was very active in the foreign-based opposition struggles against military in Nigeria. He was a well-known voice in the opposition radio, the Voice of Democracy, also known as Radio Kudirat International. He was the founding president of the Organization of Nigerians in the Americas, ONA, and co-coordinator of the Global Network of Nigerian Organizations, GNNO. He is the current vice chair of the United Democratic Front of Nigeria, UDFN, a coalition of pro-democracy, nationality, and human rights group in North America and Europe, with Professor Wole Soyinka as chairman. He was in the executive of the Joint Action Committee on Nigeria, JACON, that brought together the opposition groups in exile. Honorable Professor Julius Ihovere is a recipient of numerous national and international honors and awards. He is a member, Nigeria Development Forum, NDF, and holds the national honor of Order of the Officer of the Niger, OON. The University of Ife Alumni Association has also honored him with the Order of Great Ife, OGI. He has numerous honors, awards, and recognitions from the world over. The Association of Third World Studies also honored him with the first Mario Zamora Memorial Award for Academic Excellence. He is an honorary fellow of the Institute of Administrative Management of Nigeria and listed in Who is Who in Nigeria, as well as in the profiles of African scientists. In 2007, he was bestowed with the Edo Man of the Year award by the Ivory Tower organization in Edo State for his unusually brilliant, tolerant, inclusive, and vibrant political style and capacity to mobilize people. He is patron of the Association of Community Newspapers Publishers, Edo State, a Paul Harris Fellow of the Rotary Club International, and an ambassador of peace. Honorable Professor Julius Ihovere has been described by the African Center for Democratic Governance, AfriGov, as the most widely published academic of last century. His recent articles have appeared in numerous international journals, including Africa Today, the Journal of Modern African Studies, International Politics, International Journal, Third World Quarterly, World Development, and the Journal of Political and Military Sociology. In sum, Honorable Professor Julius Ihovere has published 12 authored, co-authored, co-edited academic books, 9 full monographs, 79 referred academic papers, 46 book chapters, 20 commentaries, and 190 research/conference papers. Honorable Professor Ihovere's authored, co-authored, or edited books include 1. Political Liberalization and Democratization in Africa. Lessons from Country Experiences, co-edited with John Imbaku in 2003. 2. Africa and New World Order in 2000. 3. Towards a New Constitutionalism in Africa in 2000. 4. Labor, State and Capital in Nigeria's oil industry in 1999. 5. The Illusions of Power, Nigeria in Transition with Timothy Shaw in 1998. 6. Multi-party democracy and political change, constraints to democratization in Africa, co-edited with John Imbaku in 1998. 7. Nigeria, the Politics of Adjustment and Democracy in 1994. 8. Economic Crisis, Civil Society and Democratization, the Case of Zambia in 1996. 9. The Rise and Fall of Nigeria's Second Republic with Toyin Falola. 10. Political Economy of Crisis and Underdevelopment in Africa. Selected works of Claude Aki, edited in 1989. 11. Towards a Political Economy of Nigeria. Petroleum and Politics at the Semi-Periphery, co-authored with Timothy Shaw in 1988. And 12. Nigeria and the International Capitalist System, co-edited with Toyin Falola in 1988. Honorable Professor Julius Ihobere has many forthcoming books, including The Challenge of Politics in Nigeria and Swimming Upstream, The Reality of Playing Practical Politics in Nigeria. Honorable Professor Ihobere holds several traditional titles from different parts of Nigeria, including Irialuge of Auchi Kingdom, Ogiano of Uzuare, and Iyase, that is, traditional Prime Minister of Luleha in Onwa West Local Government Area, Edo State, South Nigeria. Honorable Professor Julius Ihobere anchors as chairman of the board of Ihobere Foundation with the responsibility of shaping and approving the foundation strategies, advocating for the foundation's issues, and setting the organization's overall direction. Honorable Professor Ihobere has assiduously served in various local, state, national, and international bodies. Most prominent among them include Special Advisor to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria on Policy and Programs Monitoring, member Niger Delta Technical Committee, member of the Council of Adekunle Ajasin University, chairman Finance / Fundraising Committee of the 4th Nigeria-China Trade and Investment Forum, Nigeria's representative to the International Board, Forum of Federations with headquarters in Ottawa, Canada, member Vision 2020 National Technical Working Group, Political System Thematic Area, chairman of the International Board, Chestrad, based in the UK and Nigeria, chairman of the board, Institute for Corporate and Business Affairs and Management, Lagos, and board member, Institute for New Leadership. Others are chairman, Ihobere Foundation, president, Green Tree Consultants, based in Abuja, chairman, Ihobere Farms Limited, chairman, Hastings Global Services Limited, former secretary to Edo State Government, SSG, which he initially resigned after the deeply flawed Edo North APC senatorial primaries, but which he was prevailed upon by Edo State government to return to after the state workers and national leaders decried the leadership vacuum created by his sudden exit. Immediate past chairman, strategy planning team, Edo State government, and a current member, House of Representatives, representing Onwa Federal constituency in Edo North, Edo State, South Nigeria. Honorable Professor Julius O. Ihobere, OON, is happily married to Chief Mrs. Grace Ihobere and blessed with wonderful children. Following the inspiring saying of Albert Einstein, I quote, "It is every man's obligation to put back into the world at least the equivalent of what he takes out of it." I unquote. There is no gainsaying that Honorable Professor Julius O. Ihobere, OON, has laid down his life for the overall development of not only Afem Island and Edo State, but Nigeria and the entire human race. It is therefore the prayer of all of us that God shall continue to make him increasingly relevant in good health and longevity. Thank you for watching. See you at the next episode of this segment on this same channel. God bless you.